DJI is once again setting the stage for a major shakeup in the world of portable filmmaking technology, and this time, all eyes are on the DJI Osmo Action 6 and Osmo Mobile 8, two upcoming devices that are generating serious buzz across the tech community. The Osmo Action 6, in particular, seems to represent a full leap forward rather than a simple refresh. And the details emerging from leaks, insider sources, and certification listings paint a picture of an action camera that's not only smarter, but also far more refined in every aspect. According to multiple sources, the device's exterior design has undergone some subtle yet meaningful refinements. That odd pill-shaped component seen beneath the front screen in earlier FCC filings? It's gone. In its place, DJI has added a clean white square near the Action logo, likely serving as the new color temperature sensor location, replacing the old integration hidden inside the O in the previous model's branding. That new placement not only provides a more consistent front-face layout, but also hints at the company's focus on usability and professional-grade calibration. Observers have also noticed a tiny dot next to the logo, which might serve as an ambient light sensor or possibly an additional microphone input, both of which could mark the first time DJI separates display brightness or exposure compensation from the primary imaging system in an Action series camera. These small but intelligent design changes show DJI's engineering philosophy: tiny refinements that collectively make a massive difference in real-world use. But the most talked about upgrade, by far, is the introduction of a variable aperture system, rumored to range from f2.0 to f4.0, making the Osmo Action 6 a standout among compact cameras. In the previous Osmo Action 5 Pro, creators were limited to a fixed f2.8 aperture, which worked fine for everyday shooting, but restricted creative flexibility. Now, with adjustable aperture control, users can shoot in bright sunlight at f4.0 for crisp clarity, without relying on ND filters, or drop down to f2.0 for low-light scenes, or that cinematic shallow depth of field. This addition transforms the camera from a rugged outdoor gadget into a serious creative tool for vloggers, filmmakers, and professional content creators alike. Combined with the expected 1.1-inch sensor, which is about 40% larger than the Action 5 Pro's sensor, the Osmo Action 6 promises dramatically improved low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and more accurate color reproduction even in challenging lighting environments. The bump in sensor size, although not quite the rumored full 1-inch, is still a major improvement that should make nighttime shots, shadow detail, and HDR imaging significantly better. When you pair that with the rumored 155-degree ultra-wide field of view, creators can expect beautifully immersive footage that balances professional control with that signature action cam energy. Performance-wise, DJI isn't holding back either. Sources indicate that the Osmo Action 6 will feature rock-steady 4.0 image stabilization, 10-bit color depth, 8K recording at 30 FPS, Wi-Fi 6 for faster wireless transfers, and Bluetooth 5.1 for improved accessory connectivity. The improved 1950mAh battery could deliver up to 4 hours of continuous 4K recording, which nearly doubles what the Action 5 Pro could handle. A serious win for travel vloggers, bikers, and sports filmmakers. The overall construction is rumored to be slimmer and slightly lighter, maintaining that durable IP68 water resistance with a 20-meter dive rating without a case. This ensures the camera remains rugged and adventure-ready while offering flagship-grade internals at a competitive price. Early pricing leaks suggest a tiered bundle system. The base kit priced around $320, a creator combo at $429, and a complete adventure bundle between $479 and $579, including multiple batteries, mounts, and a full set of pro accessories. If accurate, DJI would be strategically undercutting competitors like the GoPro Hero 13 Black and Insta360 Ace Pro 2, while still delivering superior versatility and smarter imaging features. Reports indicate the official launch could arrive before November 10th, with pre-orders possibly opening by late October, setting up a big Q4 showdown in the action camera market. If all this holds true, DJI may have just built its most creator-focused, performance-driven action camera ever. One that not only competes with GoPro, but could potentially surpass it in overall image quality, stabilization, and intelligent design. But DJI isn't stopping there. Alongside the Action 6, the company is preparing another major update, the DJI Osmo Mobile 8, the next-gen smartphone gimbal that has already started surfacing in leaked photos and videos online. A short video initially posted on TikTok showcased the gimbal's full design, hinting that DJI has already started distributing early units to retailers. Unlike the previous beige or gray colorways seen on the Osmo Mobile 7 and 7 SE, the OM8 features an all-black aesthetic, sleek, professional, and purpose-built for creators who prefer gear that looks as refined as it performs. The overall structure remains familiar: a sturdy ergonomic handle with illuminated controls, a responsive thumb joystick, and a side-mounted focus wheel for smooth manual adjustments during pans or rack focus shots. What's new is the wider magnetic phone clamp, designed to support the heavier flagship smartphones of 2025, including iPhones and high-end Android models with larger camera bumps. DJI has reportedly fine-tuned the gimbal's motor responsiveness, enabling 360° continuous panning for the first time in the series, opening new creative possibilities for time-lapses, orbit shots, and cinematic transitions. The Osmo Mobile 8 will also continue to include DJI's popular multifunctional module, which integrates a built-in LED light and AI-powered tracking camera, making it easier to maintain perfect framing even in dynamic or low-light scenarios. This feature has been a fan favorite among vloggers and solo creators who rely on DJI's active track technology to automatically follow subjects with precision. Another exciting addition is Apple Dock Kit support, allowing iPhones to utilize native auto-tracking without depending on external apps, though users will still have access to advanced tracking and cinematic features via the DJI Mimo app. Battery life and overall smoothness have reportedly been optimized as well, with more efficient power delivery and improved balancing for larger devices. While some early adopters might see the OM8 as an incremental upgrade to the OM7P, it's clear DJI is refining every small detail to cater to the fast-growing market of mobile filmmakers, streamers, and short-form content creators. Whether it's vertical video for TikTok or cinematic horizontal shooting for YouTube, the Osmo Mobile 8 seems poised to give users greater control, precision, and comfort. With both the Osmo Action 6 and Osmo Mobile 8 launching around the same period, DJI's strategy for late 2025 appears focused on giving creators a unified ecosystem, one where professional-level tools integrate seamlessly between smartphone and camera workflows. This dual launch could easily dominate the content creation scene heading into the holiday season, drawing attention from vloggers, travelers, filmmakers, and tech enthusiasts alike. In short, DJI's upcoming lineup is shaping up to redefine compact creativity. The Osmo Action 6 looks like a perfect blend of cinematic control, improved sensor performance, variable aperture flexibility, long battery life, and rugged durability, while the Osmo Mobile 8 refines gimbal stabilization with smarter tracking, improved ergonomics, and pro-level control features. Together, they show DJI's relentless pursuit of innovation in imaging technology, a push that continues to blur the line between compact consumer gear and professional production tools. With these two releases likely arriving before year's end, content creators everywhere are about to have a lot to be excited about. Whether you're a GoPro loyalist, a smartphone vlogger, or a filmmaker seeking the best lightweight setup, the DJI Osmo Action 6 and Osmo Mobile 8 might just be the gear upgrades that redefine your workflow for 2025 and beyond.